In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Microsoft Forms in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Microsoft's ecosystem or simply haven't had the need to use Microsoft Forms until now, I'll guide you through the process in a clear, step-by-step manner, making it straightforward and hassle-free. Let's begin with the basics. Your starting point will be the Microsoft home page. Simply type Microsoft's URL into your browser's address bar. Once there, you'll see the homepage filled with all sorts of product offerings and information. But what we're here for is right at the top corner, the Sign In option. Clicking on this will bring you to the next crucial step in our journey. Upon clicking Sign In, you're prompted to enter your email address. It's crucial to enter the email associated with your Microsoft account. If you're already using products like Outlook, Office, or OneDrive, it's the same email you use for those services. After typing your email, click Next to proceed. Now let's talk about security. You'll be asked to type in your password. It's a good moment to mention the importance of strong, unique passwords for online security. After entering your password, click Next again. If you've followed the steps correctly, you should now be signed into your Microsoft account, and this opens up a whole host of Microsoft's online services and applications to you. With access to your Microsoft dashboard, you're one step closer to finding Microsoft Forms. But where exactly is it? Look for the waffle icon. Yes, it's actually called that because of its resemblance to the tasty breakfast treat. Clicking on the waffle icon brings up a grid of Microsoft applications. However, Microsoft Forms might not immediately be visible among the first few applications shown. This brings us to the search functionality within your dashboard. There's a simple search box where you can type in keywords to find various Microsoft services and applications. Type Forms into this box. As you start typing, suggestions will start to appear below the search box. Microsoft Forms should appear among these suggestions. Clicking on it will then take you directly to Microsoft Forms. Microsoft Forms is a versatile tool used for creating surveys, quizzes, and polls. It's quite user-friendly and integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft apps like Excel for further data analysis. Whether you're planning to gather feedback, conduct academic research, or just want to organize a fun quiz for your friends, Microsoft Forms has you covered. Here are a couple of additional tips to enhance your Microsoft Forms experience. 1. Take the time to explore the templates Microsoft Forms offers. These can be a great starting point if you're not exactly sure how to design your survey or quiz. 2. Remember, you can easily share your forms with others, either through a direct link, email, or even embedding it on a website or blog. And there you have it. Finding and starting with Microsoft Forms doesn't have to be complicated. By following these steps, you can easily access Microsoft Forms and begin creating your own forms in no time. Whether for work, school, or personal projects, Microsoft Forms is a powerful tool that can help you collect and analyze information efficiently. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope it has been helpful and has demystified the process of accessing Microsoft Forms. Enjoy creating your forms and see you in our next video for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of your digital tools and services.